Hey everybody, welcome back to Complete Traders Academy Daily Review. Today is January 17, 2023, 17th. All right, let's hop into it here. So today's daily candle, the previous day was Martin Luther King Day, which was Monday. I don't trade holidays because they're very low range in volume, and you don't want to be dealing with that to begin with because the day is short on top of that. But just moving forward. Anyways, today's Tuesday, right? And we have this bearish candle that opened up, didn't take out that high, but yesterday it decided to take out the previous day, which is Friday's high, but it did not take out, as you see, it did not take out that objective that we were thinking of it might taking. It did happen on Dow Jones. I'm sorry, it happened on S&P and NAS, but it didn't happen on Dow Jones, and that happens sometimes. They usually dangle the carrot for Dow Jones or one of them, but generally Dow Jones will be the type where it's a little bit more slick, if I could put it that way. So they decided to make it a bearish day, took out these lows here, and then as we were mentioning, this low we're looking to take out that low. So let's go into a smaller time frame real quick. And you will see back here, take that off. All right, you'll see that we had that high there that I was looking for it to come take out. But when this broke here, we were getting bearish direction. When you were waking up here, this is Tuesday today. Now it's 8:40. The open came up, came above, took the liquidity right above, snatched it, came back down. And I've actually done a video of this exact same scenario. I don't remember what day it was, but previously, I remember this exact same thing happening. We took it out, exhaustion on the wicks, bodies never closed above, came down, made another break right here. Then we're looking for a retrace back into this imbalance and back into this supply zone. I didn't expect it to go high at all. I was only making it the rules of coming into this block here. Put my stop loss right above that high of the imbalance and came down beautifully. And what obviously our targets were to take out that low that we had here, and then obviously this is the next objective. Pretty much, yeah. I mean, because you had failure swings here, and I was looking for it to kind of break up and go high, but it never did. So it just made another break, and I'm okay with waiting. You see, you gotta be patient and wait for them to show you the hand. So I ain't gonna lie, I did take a loss. Where did I take the loss? I did take the loss here, right here, because I was buying. At first I bought here to think that this came back in, and then I was gonna go long because I wanted to take out this high. And then I saw S&P and NAS doing the same thing, but it decided to break and take me out. So when it took me out, and my loss wasn't big, I had it right next to this low right here. Because if it breaks underneath here, then it's not gonna pan out 9 out of 10 times. So it broke, and when it broke, I'm like, okay, cool. We're looking for the retrace. We're going this way, and sure enough, follow the trend. All right. So other than that, let's see here. Let me go to a 1 hour. I mean, and you got this clear line of liquidity, low, major low. I got this here in blue. So we're looking for objectives coming down. We're looking for order flow to look like this, something like this, even something like this. See that? So yeah, and we've already took out this low now. So all right, as far as retracing in here, I don't know. I mean, I could see it doing this, coming up just to get in here one more time above this high or that open of this candle right here below me, but like right there. But that's as far as I see it going. I don't really see it coming above. We've exhausted this lower high, creating this lower high, in my opinion. So right now you're going to be looking for breaks and retrace. and entry retest. All right, you guys take care. God bless.